This is how my body looks right now. So let's see the difference in 2 months. Everyone is asleep, but
Feeling from the start, you might be the guy who'll break my heart. Hello, hello.
yes, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe so that you won't miss any. I am on a mission to transform my body completely in 2 months, and I want you guys to support me. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to yet another vlog. And today it's just 5:06 a.m. I woke up around 4:30 and now I'm going to the gym. The gym opens at 5, so yeah, by 5:10 to 5:12 I will reach the gym. Everyone is asleep, but your brother is going to the gym, and yes, the pain is too much. Now the muscles are crying out because I am working out after a long time. Although I have been working out, as I told you guys in previous videos, that I have been going to the parks and doing some push-ups and also working out a bit freehand workouts. But this is the first time I have been working out at a gym with weights after maybe 3 to 4 months. Alright, so yeah, obviously it will be painful for a few days, but the pain is for growth. Without pain there won't be growth. So yeah, I have to accept it because it's the process. And tomorrow the gym will be closed. They had put on a notification saying that they are going to do some maintenance, and on Saturday it's going to be closed. I'm going twice a day and I'm doing whole body workout. I am not focusing on a particular muscle group right now. I'm not doing push pull leg like that or any supersets right now. I'm just focusing on my entire muscle group. I'm training all my muscle groups. And I'm sorry it must be dark because yes, it's dark, you may not see anything. And I am focusing mostly on the food that I am eating. I am very cautious about what I am eating because diet is the most important thing. I have always been eating healthy meals. Even while I was not working out at gym, I love to eat good food, healthy food, but this time it's different, right? I have to take healthy, nutritious, balanced diet with less oil, no sugar at all. And yeah, it's going good. I'm loving the process, and at least people have woken up here, and I think they are newspaper distributors, so they are arranging the newspapers. And we have a beautiful park here. I used to come to this park before, but here too there seems to be no one. And protein is a must, so I have not yet started taking whey protein because there are also different types of whey protein: isolate, concentrate, bioenzymes, and a lot of things. I have to do proper research before taking whey. And also I just started working out, so I can have alternative protein sources that are cheaper, like eggs, soya chunks, whole wheat grains, and there are lots of other nutrient dense foods and nuts that I can take to recover my muscles and also support the protein intake that my body requires right now. And we have a beautiful park here as well, and some people are here. I can see some people here. And from Monday, because Saturday tomorrow is off because the gym will be closed, I will come to the park and I will do some jogging and all. And day after tomorrow, Sunday, I will go to the gym, work out. This dog was barking. And Sunday I will work out, and from Monday I will start doing proper workout, focusing particular muscle groups, and I will fix a schedule and start working out. So I reached near the gym. So see you guys. I will keep you updated. Keep loving me, keep subscribing. Love you guys. Do subscribe if you are new to my channel, and put on that notification bell so that you won't miss any future updates from my channel. This is the gym. The roads are empty, and I hope the gym is empty as well right now. This is how my body looks right now. So let's see the difference in 2 months. I am working hard.
Even though I took a risk, it is worth the while for just one kiss. I know Stuck in the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. Ooh, it is up to you what we will be. Ooh, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. You and I are so alike, and I guess it can be bad sometimes. Don't know. I don't know. Even when you say let's go, I can see the hesitation grow. Just know, I just know it. Caught up in the moment, wanna spend every second with you, yeah. All I do is thinking about you. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. Ooh, it is up to you what we will be. Ooh, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. Ooh, I just wanna know where you wanna go. I don't wanna be stuck in the middle. I just wanna know what's to come. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. But in the middle, right in between, I want to. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? I just wanna be right next to you. Right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between, right in between. It is up to you what we will be. I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. I just wanna be right next to you. Right next to you. Right in between, right in between. It is up to you what we will be. I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle. Hello. Even though I took a risk, it is worth the while for just one kiss. I know, I just know it. Caught up in the moment, wanna spend every second with you, yeah. All I do is thinking about you. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. Ooh, it is up to you what we will be.
It's so good and it feels so good to eat clean. After working hard at gym, after sweating so much, it won't feel good to eat something like fried rice or biryani. But clean diet, no bargain for this one. I'm loving this.
Feeling from the start, you might be the guy who'll break my heart. Hello.